Hello, hope you are doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create an online course using Kajabi. The first thing you want to do is go onto kajabi.com. On Kajabi, you can create a course for completely free as they offer a 14-day free trial period. All you'll need to do is go over to the top right-hand corner and tap on Start for free. After that, you'll simply sign up using your email address and some basic information. Once you have signed up, you will be redirected to this dashboard right here. And all you'll need to do from here, you're going to tap on Create Product. Once you have tapped on Create Product, you will be redirected to this page. And from here, all I want you to do is go and tap right where you see Course, as we are going to be creating a course. Once you have done that, you are going to scroll down a bit. Then you are going to tap on Get Started. And by the way, you can see the available features for your course, which is video content, audio content, text lessons, quizzes and surveys. And you can also create a membership area, and you can offer downloads of exclusive content. So you can tap on Get Started. Once you have tapped on Get Started, you'll be redirected to this page right here. And from here, we can start outlining our course. So for example, you can add your title. So let's say how to use YouTube. For example's sake, I'll type that in. Then from there, you could add your brief description. So I'll simply just type in something right there. After you have done that, you're going to tap on Continue. And by the way, you can see the preview in the right hand window right here. Next, you can upload an image if you want. So you can choose to customize it whichever way you want. You could upload an image. So I'm going to be uploading an image real quick. Let me tap on my device. I'm just going to upload a random image. So let's say this image. So tap on Open. Then I'll tap on Save. And once it has been saved, we'll continue. So you can see it right there. Then after doing that, all I'll have to do now is tap on Upload one file. And you can see it is compressing. And you can see that it has been added right there. All you'll need to do now is tap on Continue. Once you have tapped on Continue, you will see the price of your course. So you can decide whether you would like your course to be free. Let's say, for example, you want to offer a free course or you want to create a paid course. You can select which one of these options you want. If you are going to create a paid course, you'll need to tap on Paid. And then from there, you will need to connect your payment providers. So for example, you can connect your Stripe account or your PayPal account. So I'll simply tap on Free for this example. And I'm going to tap on Save and Finish. And you can see that it is saving it. And you'll just give it a few seconds. Once it has been saved, I'll show you what to do from there. And you can see right here the course outline, Introduction to YouTube, monetizing your YouTube channel. And you can see it has created an automated outline for us. You can edit that outline if you want, or you could use that outline. And you can see 5 modules right there. What is YouTube, how to create YouTube account, how to upload videos to YouTube, and you can see right there. So the AI will automatically give you an idea of different modules that you could use. If you would like to change that module, you can, or you could simply tap on Add Content and you could add content to it. So if you would like to change the module, all you'll have to do is tap on Add Content right there. Then from there, you could select module. After you have selected module, you could add the module title, add the description. After you have added the description, you could scroll down, and from there, you could upload an image or you could upload a video. And if you would like future help from the AI, all you'll have to do is tap right there. Then from there, you could type in the course topic or the module topic that you'd like to feature. Then tap on Generate, and the AI platform will be able to assist you. But if you'd like to add even more stuff, you could tap on Add content again. Then from there, if you would like to upload a lesson, you could tap on lesson. After you have done that, you could type in the title. Then you could tap on select module. So let's say for monetizing YouTube channel, then you could tap on create lesson. After you have done that, you'll see it right here. Then all you'll need to do now is tap on the pencil to edit the lesson. Once you have tapped on the pencil, from there you'll be able to add media. So if you would like to add a video or audio, you can do that. Or if you would like to record the video now, you could tap on the video right there. And you could tap on pick file. If you would like to record the audio, you could tap on audio, then tap on pick file. And you can also add text right here if you want. And then you could scroll down, and if you'd like to add any downloadable files, you can do that right there. Once you have done all of that, all you'll need to do now is tap on preview to see how it looks. Then you'll simply tap on save right there. So let's go back. Once back on the page again, so let me tap on this example again so that I can show you some more editing options. Again, we are going to tap on add content in the top right hand corner. And if you would like to add a quiz, all you'll have to do is tap on quiz. Then from there you could scroll down and you could add the different questions, and you can decide whether you would like it to be multiple choice, check boxes, or short answer, or a file upload. And you can add the response right there, and you can add numerous questions quite easily. All you have to do is tap on add question at the bottom of the page. Once everything is to your liking, all you'll need to do now is tap on courses from the left hand menu option. Once you have tapped on courses, you could tap on the three dots in line with the course name. And after you have tapped on the three dots, you're going to tap on preview. So let's preview how it looks. Once you have previewed how it looks and you like it, you can see right here. So this would be the front page, and then persons will tap on start course. And once they have tapped on start course, they will be redirected into your course. So that's basically it. So you can see right there the store, the library. All you'll have to do now is simply start getting persons, so you can start adding your link. So you can start sharing your link right here, and hopefully you'll get persons that will visit your link and automatically do your course, so you can start making money online. And with this platform, while they do offer a 14-day free trial period, after the 14 days, their basic plan will be $149 per month. And with this basic plan, you won't have to pay any transaction fee. You'll also get 3 products, 3 funnels, unlimited landing pages, unlimited marketing emails, and up to 10,000 contacts can be added, and 1,000 active customers. And you'll also get access to 1 website and 1 admin user. So the 1 website, that would be the 1 URL that you'll be given. And if you were to go up to their growth plan, which is for $199 per month, with this plan you'll get access to 15 products, 15 funnels, and you can also add up to 25,000 contacts. And the plus about the growth plan is, with it you'll be able to offer an affiliate program. So with the affiliate program, you'll be able to get other persons to promote your products for a small commission. So this is a definite plus. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.